Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I'm here to talk about why your hair is likely thinning. So you've already eliminated the possibility that it's because of hair dye because you haven't dyed your hair. You've eliminated the possibility that it's due to over styling and over manipulation because you don't really style your locks. A very likely reason why your hair may be thinning out is because it is so dry. It is so brittle. What is your moisturizing routine? Do you have one? If I were you, I would be sure to implement regular washes with conditioner, diluted, leave-in conditioner, oils to seal in the moisture. I'll highly recommend the horsetail leaf growth oil because the horsetail has so much silica in it. It's going to really help your hair get stronger. So definitely try the horsetail leaf growth oil on KeishaCharmaine.com. And you can use these oils for hot oil treatments. You can steam your hair. Literally, you can just let water flow through your hair from time to time because our hair's moisture comes from water. You can use mists and add an oil afterwards to seal in the water. Right now we have our buy one, get one free sale for our rose water moisturizers. Make sure you add your second moisturizer to your cart to get it for free. There are so many different ways that you can moisturize your hair. Implement some of these ways into your routine and you may notice your hair getting stronger and stronger, especially if you implement the horsetail leaf growth oil, I must say. The urban lime oil is also an option, this one right here, but this is almost sold out for the rest of the year. So definitely if you want to get this seasonal product, it has lime essential oil, so it's very appropriate for this time of year. The smell is, it gives spring, it gives summer, you know? And it's also infused with horsetail, so it has that silica that's going to help strengthen your hair and help repair it. So any of my products with horsetail in it is really going to help repair any damage. You'll notice progress in time, so definitely keep up with it and add that to your routine. Definitely check out my channel. I have a lot more videos on moisturizing your hair, keeping your hair soft and hydrated and strong. And be sure to join my text list. Text me at 917-810-3423 and I do periodically text you lock tip reminders. I also text you exclusive deals for KeishaCharmaine.com. So join the Healthy Hair Hub by texting me and you're in. We have to stay committed to the process, be consistent with our hydration, and see how quickly shifts come into play. Make sure you head over to KeishaCharmaine.com today. Right now we have our buy one, get one free sale for our rose water moisturizers. Make sure you add your second moisturizer to your cart to get it for free. And if you're watching this video late, that's okay. Make sure you head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and see what offers are available for you at this moment. All right? Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.